Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Now I am going to explain first question B bit in 4.1 exercise of linear pair of linear equations in two variables. So, by comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, state whether the lines represented by following pair of linear equations intersects at a point, are parallel, or coincident. So we have to check. Already first question is over, this is second question. So I am writing the first question. First equation, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with a1x plus b2y a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Here what is the value of a1? Here x is x, a1 means 9. a1 is equal to 9. In the same way, b1 is equal to y is y equal, b1 is 3. Which is 3 plus 3? So b1 3, c1 is equal to this constant. So these are the values of a1, b1, c1 from this equation. I am writing the second equation. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Same, comparing this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to, what is the value of b2? 6. c2 is equal to 24. So we have to write with the signs. Here plus sign means no need to write. If there is a minus sign, we have to write that sign also. That is important. So I am taking these values. Consider a1 by a2. a1 by a2, that is equal to, what is the value of a1? 9. What is the value of a2? 18. See here also 9 by 18. So after cancellation, 9th table will go, that is equal to 1 by 2. Put 1. Second, consider b1 by b2 is equal to, what is the value of b1? 3. What is the value of b2? 6. Here also you can see b1 means 3, b2 means 6. After cancellation, 1 by 2 is there, 3 table will go. This is 2. Consider c1 by c2, that is equal to, the value of c1 is 12 by the value of c2 is 24. 12 ones, 12 twos, 1 by 2, 3. So here from 1 to 3, what are the values of a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Same. So from 1, 2 and 3, a1 by a2 are equal or not? See, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equal, that is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2. So what happened when these all values are equal? That means these two equations are not 2. These two equations are only 1, because if we cancel the second equation with which table? 2 table. What will come? 2 9s are 9x, 9x. 2 3s are 2 by dividing with 2. 2 6 means 2 table. 2 3s are 3 is there. 2 12s are 24, 12. So these two equations are same. Means there is no two lines, only one line is there. That means if we draw the line for this first equation, maybe that line will come like this. Second line also that itself only, because same equation. So second line also will be on this side, on the same line. That means these two lines are coincident, coincide, రెండు కలుసుకున్నాయన్నమాట, ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఉన్నాయని అర్థం, కోయిన్సైడ్ అంటే. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈ విధంగా ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయంటే దట్ ఈజ్ దీస్ టూ lines are coincident lines. మరి దీనికి సొల్యూషన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ సొల్యూషన్స్, బికాజ్ ఒక లైన్ మీద ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయంటే ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చు. మరి 2 లైన్స్ మీద అంటే 2 లైన్స్ ఎక్కడ మీట్ అవుతాయో దట్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఆన్సర్. So that is, so number of solutions are many. So it has many solutions. These lines are consistent. These lines are consistent. It has consistent. Okay. So this is the second question. So C question, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So same pattern. Write the first equation. So write the first equation. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Same sentence we have to write. Comparing this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to, see b1 value, y same, b1 means minus 3. We have to write with sign also. c1 is equal to 10. In the same way, second equation, very easy chapter. Same, comparing this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1. Here nothing is there before. means 1 is there. So I am writing minus 1. Minus is there, minus 1. C2 is equal to 9. So these are the values. So consider same in previous like this. Consider A1 by A2 is equal to, what is the value of A1? 6 by A2 value 2. So 6 by 2. 2 table will go. 2 ones, 2 3s. So 3, put 1. In the same way, consider B1 by B2. So what is the value of B1? Minus 3. What is the value of B2? Minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. 3. In denominator 1 is there, there is no value for 1. After dividing 3 with 1, the answer will be remain, no change. So I am removing this one. This is 2. Consider C1 by C2. So what is the value of C1? 10. What is the value of C2? 9. Is there any common table? No, it will not cancel. So simply I am writing 3. From 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. Values are, which values are equal? These two values are equal. This is different. So I will write like this. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Sorry, B1 by B2. So these two values are equal, but this is different, not equal. Not equal to C1 by C2. That means ఈ టూ ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటే మనకేం తెలుస్తుందంటే ఆ లైన్స్ ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్ అని తెలుస్తుంది. అంటే ఒక లైన్ ఈ విధంగా ఉంటే సెకండ్ లైన్ ఈ ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ దీస్ లైన్స్ ఆర్ parallel lines. So these equations are inconsistent. So no solution means inconsistent. If a solution is there, consistent. So it has no solution. For parallel lines, no solution. Coincident lines, many solutions. For intersecting line, one solution. This entire chapter is based on that one. 40 to 50% of the sums will be like this only. So this is the first Roman completed with this question. Okay, thank you for watching.